Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Harsha and I create art videos on this channel. In this video I am showing you how to make polymer clay Rakhis, and I'm sure you can see it from the title of this video. This is a Rakhi special video. So before we get into the video, I just want to say a couple of things about my Rakhis. So generally on the day of Rakhi, I and my brothers, since I'm the only sister among three brothers, I'm a really pampered person. So me and my brothers, we don't just tie Rakhis to each other, but we also go and hang out in some amazing place and gorge on some yummy food. And I really get the chance to dress up and click a lot of pictures with my brothers and have a lot of fun time. So I love Rakhis and I love celebrating. Also, in this Rakhi, I have not yet decided where I'm going, but if you want me to do a Rakhi vlog or get ready with me on Rakhi, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, since this is an art channel, I generally stick to the art genre, but if you really want me to do something else, do let me know. I'm open to all kinds of ideas and I love creating. So let's get into the video and see how these Rakhis are made. But before we get into it, don't forget to like this video, like it right now. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to share it with all your friends who love creating. Thank you, and let's get in. So that's it guys. Earlier I thought I'd make just 3 Rakhis, but I made a couple of extra Rakhis so that you can get more ideas on the designs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Also let me know in the comment section below all your ideas and feedbacks. I love reading your comments and I love interacting with you. And lastly guys, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care, bye bye, and a very happy Rakshabandhan to all my friends on YouTube.